A secretive U.S. military technology agency known as the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, or better known as DARPA, is investing $100 million into a gene drive research in an effort to procure genetic extinction technologies, according to emails released under Freedom of Information rules. The documents reveal that DARPA has become the world's leading source of funding for genetic extinction technology. This information comes as a panel of experts with the UN Convention on Biological Diversity meet to debate whether to impose a moratorium on gene research after several southern countries expressed fear of a potential military application. UN diplomats confirmed to The Guardian that the release of the emails would worsen the bad name of gene drives in some circles. Many countries will have concerns when this technology comes from DARPA, a U.S. military science agency said. Interestingly, just a little over a month ago, Russian President Vladimir Putin made what seemed at the time an outlandish claim that some shadowy entity, possibly with ties to the United States, had been collecting biological tissues from Russians from different ethnic groups. Quote, "Do you know that biological material is being collected all over the country from different ethnic groups and people living in different geographical regions of the Russian Federation?" The question is, why is it being done? It's being done purposefully and professionally. We are a kind of object of great interest. Putin told Russian Human Rights Council, without making any specific accusations of who was behind the collection of biological samples. Quote, "Let them do what they want, and we must do what we must," he said. Although some initially discounted Putin's statement as a conspiracy theory, in fact, he was correct in the assertion. The group responsible for the tissue collection was identified as none other than the U.S. Air Force. Now, according to Zero Hedge, a representative for the U.S. Air Force Education and Training Command, explained to Russia Today that the choice of the Russian population was not intentional and is related to research the Air Force is conducting on the human musculoskeletal system. Eyebrows were first raised in July when the AETC issued a tender seeking to acquire samples of ribonucleic acid, a synovial fluid, from Russians, adding that all samples shall be collected from Russia and must be Caucasians. The Air Force said it wouldn't collect samples from Ukrainians, but didn't specify why. What is going on with DARPA? Why are they collecting these samples? And is there some sort of event that will take place in the near future using this specific technology against mankind? Leave your comments below this video. Thanks for watching.